What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Burp, 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 Burp with Dawn. How y'all doing out there today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say, and it ain't above and not under y'all. It's a blessed day. Now, let's sing. We're gonna burp, 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 burp. Y'all, I'm silly as shit, and I know it. Anyway, today, I'm standing up holding this daggone phone right now. I got, y'all, it's cold outside. So I stopped at the corner store and picked up a little thing of root beer. So we're gonna drink that.
Oh God, live up.
See.
She just sounds so dry because she's too busy looking at herself, y'all.
I am.
Look at her.
I'm beautiful and I know it. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, cheers. We gonna go for some closed mouth burps.
Girl, open your mouth and burp.
No.
See, I was trying something different for y'all.
I swear that soda, it did not want to go down.
Oh, I thought you were closing your mouth.
I thought I was too, that one there. Cause I swear. Hold on. Let's try this again. This soda got shook up. Ain't nothing in there.
That was not cool.
Trust me, I couldn't close my mouth on that one. I could not close my mouth on that one. But anyway, y'all. Y'all want me to give you some more? Nah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye!